We're continuing our mini PET project. We've already built most of the electronics and the IC holders, and it's time to start on the keyboard. So let's get to it. If you want to build your own mini PET, then links to the project are in the description below. So the first thing is to cut out the labels for the keys. There are two sets of labels on the sheet, so that if, or should I say when, I screw up, there's always another one. And there are multiple sheets in the kit. Some of the keys are repeated with slight differences. This gives us options between historically accurate and better. Who am I kidding? This is a chiclet keyboard. There is no better. So we're going to go with the less historically accurate. Now we have to build the keycap assemblies. So I'm sure you can guess this. One of them, one of them, one of them. There's a few bits left over which we can use as spares should we ever want to. And so we move on to putting the keys into the keyboard. The keyframe overlay comes next. This is actually another PCB. It sits flush with the top of the keys and is held in position by 6 nylon standoffs. We're putting this in place before soldering the keys to ensure that everything fits together nicely. With that on, we can fit the keycaps onto the keys. Already having the caps sorted in the right order is going to speed things up considerably. Oh yeah! Now we can finally solder the keys to the keyboard. Okay, now the keys are all soldered on, we can give it a quick inspection to make sure that there's no problems, and then we'll on to the next bit. Now the board is cleaned and it's time finally to put the chips in. Right, so the chips are in. I've put spacers on the board just so that it's level, and we are ready to set up the dip switches and plug it in, but we won't do that until next time. So tune in and find out, subscribe, hit the notification bell button thing so you'll find out when the next video is uploaded. See ya.